We want more option for our child, like, we want the best one for marriage proposal. That's the reason we came here for Shaadi.com, because we heard that we are getting more options here and many people are registering and getting their partner through this site only.
My son is well educated, well cultured, working with Luxuries Cruise Line USA as dining room administration. He's a ship officer and has been there for 5 years in USA. We used to call them Maharajas. They used to come to your house, then they used to suggest this family, that family. They were basically the mediators. Now all that is just phasing out. It's very, very few of that. And this way you get a wider choice, because you get a choice all over the world if you're online. Okay. And the age of the boy?
See, she is 21, so at least 2 years gap will be good for her. So at least 24 to 27 will be helping us.
And then our advisors talk to those people and initiate the beginning of the conversation. Okay, and this is his picture. You can come here and browse if you're not comfortable using the internet. What happens at the center is basically parents who register for their children. And naturally, parents are not so computer savvy. They need help. So then our advisors help them for that. Like, we have some old parents who do it from home, and time to time they call us. Our service people guide them how to go by that. That's the difference between online and offline services.
105 successful marriages.
We're riding the wave of the growth of internet in India. And that's been a big boost because we're growing at levels of anywhere between 30 and 40%. The other key factor I think that we got right is we didn't try to change the way matrimony was done. We used the internet as a medium to expand the scope of what was possible. And I think that was something that was worked to our advantage. We didn't change the way people did things, we just gave them more options. People aren't looking for just someone in the same city. They're looking at times for someone in the same profession, who belongs to the same community, whose horoscope needs to match. And so these large numbers don't mean anything unless they can find that little relevant segment within our overall member base. And so we do need to be large.
Nasir, there is an option of even the height and everything, the person's date of birth.
A partner should be, he should be well educated, should have a good family background, and he should be professionally qualified, because even I am to that level. And we are looking from Hindu community mainly.